found him when he was putting the bins out. Said he was around here quite a lot.
You got a name for him?
They called him Smudge, because he was always dirty. This is connected to those other vagrant days. Thought you put that mouse stupid on anyway for that.
She's saying she's lost her faith.
Yeah, I got horror. Yup, that's me. Yup, that's me. Of course. Yeah, you're welcome. Thank you.
Yes. Doesn't mean I didn't give any years. Maybe
Shut the fuck up! Oh my god! It's Simon! It's Simon! Ah, it's Simon! Yo! Shut the fuck up, Simon Head, man. Nah. Bruh. Fuck you, Simon Head, bruh. We're doing this everywhere, bruh. Bruh! Simon is doing way too much now. Simon is doing way too much. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up, Simon Head. Piss off! Piss off! Piss off! Those Simons are not as fuck, by the way. Meow.